Hello and welcome to Catering 2. We are so excited you are here. This is the highest level culinary class that we have to offer at Leiden. So you are one of the pros. And we know that you embarked on a fabulous Catering 1 experience, or at least we hope you did. And we're excited that you took Catering 2. Obviously, we are starting off the year remotely, so the idea of what we would do in Catering 2 looks a little different than what it would look like in person. But again, we try to plan out the best experience for you. All right. So this course is dedicated to providing you a working knowledge of classical culinary arts and techniques through digital media. We're giving you some hands-on experiences, some collaborative group projects, and obviously we're going to advance your skills needed in the career in a career in the food service industry, whatever that may be. So what do our units look like? Obviously, you know how important safety and sanitation is. Most of you, or you should have, earned your food handler certification. You do not need to do that again since it's good in the state for 3 years. We will, throughout some point this year, offer you the manager certification as long as the school gives us the A-OK and we can return in person. Etc. We'll be offering that in smaller group settings to meet the needs of the requirements for coronavirus. Some of our units also include professionalism and hospitality with things related to communication activities. Obviously, there are labs in all of these. Working with others, planning for guest needs, dietary guidelines, and then catering services and different food, like catering trends and food trends. And then advanced plate presentation is our last unit. So these things we will be working through together in this remote setting. And we do give you a lot of hands-on activities that you could do at home. So, we're trying to eliminate just doing Google Docs and whatnot. There are some, but you will have the opportunity to do some labs at home if you choose to. All right. So our learning outcomes, we have 4. We want you to use your knowledge and skills associated with problem solving, creative and critical thinking, reflection, decision making to function in the classroom, in the community, and then in the industry. So when we do return in person, the skills that we learn remotely, you'll be practicing them just like you did in Catering 1, just, you're more of a leader now. And then the next one is apply the consistent skills necessary to achieve guest satisfaction. So we'll talk about, meeting guest needs, things like that. And then just how demonstrate leadership and teamwork to achieve, common goals. So a lot of our activities in this remote setting are centered around working collaboratively with others and communication, obviously. And then we want you to explore culinary techniques. We want you to be cooking. If we do return in person, we will be providing you with ingredients. Right now, labs will be optional because we don't know if you can get everything, but we will be providing you more information throughout our introduction week. Okay, thank you.